I'm in Pushkar, the main square now. Look at it. It's gonna be crazy here. As what I've noticed until now, there are loads of Europeans here. Only because the holy color will come. Yeah, man. Holy color will come in 2 days. So loads of Italians, Israelis, and Spanish. What I've noticed, it's full everywhere. And or you find loads of Italians, you find loads of weed. So here, what I've noticed, I'm making a tea latte with milk and weed infusion. So it's gonna be crazy. The April is gonna be around 50,000 people, mixed foreigners and Indians, on this holy stuff. It's crazy. Oh, here they're making a nice falafel burrito. Over here. Oh, something else. Let me tell you something else. All the European hippies, all of them, I think, are here. Yes, big boy. So all the hippies from Europe are here in Pushkar. It's crazy. Now it's a bit late. It's around half 8 o'clock. So it's not so busy. But here I've been walking during the day, and trust me, it made me extremely tired. It was crazy. Oh look, there is the lake, the Pushkar lake, but it's closed. It's sacred, and it's closed. I'm gonna go over there tomorrow day just to show you guys how it looks like. And tomorrow we're gonna do the Bruma temple. The only Bruma temple in all over the world is here in Pushkar. Look at the t-shirts. But here, this street is not so lively. I'm supposed to stay in the city center. But let's walk a bit. Let me show you a tour of night tour. Okay, let me see if I can pass. Okay. Mafia. Oh, everywhere loads of food, juicy food, tasty, everywhere.
हेलो बाबा हाँ ललिता है
You know what? I'm just walking on the street, and I'm hearing Italians from left, from right, from left, from right, how they speak. I think even in Rome, there are not so many Italians as there are here. I think all Italians came here. It's them holiday spots, maybe. That's crazy. Look, raving. You can rave over there, brother. Temple. Oh, you know, so Pushkar is a small village, but they got around 1,000 temples. 1,000, 100, 000. Now most of the shops are shut down as it's late. So here's the Bruma temple in front of us. Anyone? So Bruma temple. The only Bruma temple in all over the world is here. But we're gonna come here next time, not next time, tomorrow on daylight. Yeah. So this was the walk from city center, from Main Square to Bruma.